What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode on the vlog. I hope you guys are having a good one. Today we're going to be going and picking up the JDM motor from JDM California. Super pumped to pick this thing up. I finally got my other motor up on the stand. I have it standing sideways right now, you know, just so it's kind of out of the way and I can walk past it and stuff right now. But yeah, it's real easy to put it on the stand. You just got to take the clutch off and then, you know, you use some of the trans bolts. I'll be able to turn it. It's gonna be really easy taking, you know, the stuff that I need to take off to put on the new motor. We still got a lot of work to do up in the engine bay. You know, it's still got a lot of wires. I think I'm gonna delete a lot of stuff. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna delete yet, you know? Leave some comments below if you know, if you have any recommendations, but yeah, I'm super pumped to get working on this. I gotta go pick up my boy Brandon Elliott. I'm gonna be heading out to the San Fernando Valley to pick him up, and then we're heading out to Ontario, JDM California with his truck. Let's go get this motor. What's going on, guys? So I'm with my boy Elliott now. We're up in his truck. We're cruising into Tacoma. We're on our way to JDM California. I'll update you guys when we get there, and you guys get to see the motor for the first time. We stopped by my boy Elliott's pad real quick to grab some stuff. Beautiful house. He's gonna rip a wheelie real quick on the bike. Let's get it! Let's get it! Fuck yeah! Squad shit, you know. My boy's house is beautiful. Look at this dog. Red Bull! Hey, Red Bull! So cute. It's a red Doberman, English. It's got like that short, gristly hair. Such a dope dog. But yeah, you guys will catch us at JDM California. Let's go get this motor. Let's go! Let's go! I hate traffic, if you guys can't tell. Traffic's the worst, man. LA. Yup, LA. If you're from LA, you know. You know. Alright, guys, we're just about to pull up. Destination's on the left. Took a long drive to get there. Right here? Yeah, it's gonna be left right in here. It's a trip how this place is in like the most, you know, kind of discreet parking lot. You'd never think that they just have a bunch of awesome Japanese motors sitting in a warehouse over here in the middle of Ontario, but we're gonna go up inside and get what we came for. So we're in here in JDM California picking up the motor. Just gonna give you guys a little tour. The front end of a right-hand drive Del Sol. The rear of it. It's just motors. Motors on motors on motors on motors on motors. It's crazy, huh?
And we got the RX-7 in the back. Right-hand drive.
Yeah, this is my favorite car up in here. I don't know if I like this car better or the Supra better. Look at this thing, guys. Damn. So clean. Right-hand drive too. If you ever need JDM parts, man, go to JDM California. Oh, dude. It's kind of dark, so it's hard to see up in here, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. Sick setup. Like the wheels too. So clean. We got the yellow Supra over here. Get it to focus. There we go. So dope. And then we got all the wheels stocked over here too. And then I don't know what this is, but this thing's like a classic right-hand drive car. Pretty badass. Let me show you guys the motor. They're loading it up in the truck right now. So pumped to be here. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Bye, JDM California. Oh, what is that? Ooh. Is that a motor in the back? Is that a motor in the back of the truck? Is that a motor in the back of the truck, boys?
We secured the bag for sure, boys.
Secured the bag. Long drive. We got another long drive ahead of us, but we secured the bag. And let's pull over real quick so I could give them a little sneak peek of the motor just right out here, you know? Pull into the parking lot or some shit. Show them the, or no, let's go get food. I'll show you guys when we get food. We're fucking starving. All right, so we secured the motor. We're out here at Farmer Boys out in Ontario. Got the motor in the back of the truck all strapped down. It's a JDM EJ205 with ABCS. I'm gonna be swapping some things off. I gotta swap the intake manifold. I'm gonna be swapping the turbo. But for now, we just gotta get this bad bitch home. We gotta get some food in us first though. We're starving. It's been a long drive, a lot of driving today. So we're gonna eat and I'll check back in with you guys when we get back to the garage. What's up guys? So we're back in the garage, back home. Got the engine right here. It's actually the next day today. I didn't want to close out the video last night because I just wanted to get the motor, you know, off of the truck and onto the hoist, get it in the garage. I was absolutely exhausted yesterday from that long drive, but it was a great day. It's always a lot of fun going down to JDM California, you know, talking with David, the owner. Super nice guy, just really down to earth guy. Always hooks me up on what I need for my Subaru. And I just wanted to let you guys know as a reminder to those of you who are new on this channel, this video is actually part of a build series where we're working on my Subaru right here. We're doing the JDM motor swap. If you'd like to see more videos of this JDM motor swap, you can click on this little card up here and that will take you to some more videos, or you could click the links in the description below. I really appreciate the support from you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying this build. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, you know, let me know what you guys want to see done to the engine bay. Let me know what you guys want to see deleted, added, maybe what color you'd like to see it painted. I don't know. Give me some ideas and some feedback. I'd really appreciate it. And remember guys, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.